Luke. Luke. Just showing everybody your new haircut. We just stopped at our first waterfall of the day. It's called Arm of Gold Waterfalls. I'll turn this around. It's right next to the road. And Luke looks like he's heading up the street. Yeah, he is. It's not huge, but it's another one. Let's see how close we can get to it. That might be as far as I can get. We just got to Kelly's Cove. That's where our next waterfalls for the day is going to be. Bains Brook Falls. So let's head up the trail and see what it's like. I don't know. Not sure. Something coming out at you. We won't go in.
Why?
Just in case.
In case of what?
Don't want to get in trouble. Took a little wrong turn. But I think we're getting back on track. They're back there somewhere. Luke was up climbing some hill. But the legs are burning now. I don't know if you can see it on video. Probably can't tell. But it's a wee bit steep.
There's another path there.
We're getting old.
We are getting old.
I love you.
I love you.
Well, looks like we made it. The boys said we did. They're up ahead. Seems like it's a ways down there.
Can you hear him?
Not really, well, I can.
Yeah, he's kind of path there.
Okay. Get down to the bottom. Whew. Good. You know, we gotta come back up this. Yeah, where is he? Where's Luke at?
You can get all the way down.
Can you get back up? Like if there's things to grab onto?
Not really, no.
Is Luke all the way down?
No, I think he climbed up.
Oh, great. I'll go down if you want to go down. You want to?
Sure.
Aaron, you coming? You staying up here? Okay, can you slide in your bum? You okay?
No,
I got it on video. All is good. I'm gonna stay up here.
Good idea.
Okay. Oh, poor Jake. He slid right down. That was a lot further down than we thought. He's all right though. I don't know where Luke went. He's probably up in the trees. Yeah, it's really steep. Jake fell. He slid right down. I got it on video.
How to get back up?
He had to climb a different way. We're just hiking back out of Bains Brook Falls. I didn't get good video of it. Couldn't get to the bottom. The only one that made it there was Jake. And I'm sure you've seen in the video it was on his ass. But I'll put up a picture or a video that he took from the bottom. But we're gonna walk out of here and we're gonna head to Kluscap Trail. Formerly known as the ferry hole. So we'll see what that's like. See you in a bit. Just at the beginning of the Kluscap Trail. Did I say that right?
I don't know. I think
Well,
so.
we'll find out.
Sounds it.
But we're heading for the ferry hole now. Awful mess. Fiona left in the woods.
It's cleared right through a path right through.
Yeah. It's crazy. Is that where a fairy would live? No?
That's where an ogre would live.
Okay. Kids, what are you gonna do? I bought him hiking shoes. And he's wearing mismatched, wore out Crocs. To be 13 again. I think we're coming up on it now. I don't know if we can get down this side, but I'm definitely going to come have a look. What's this way? Oh, we're way up there. I'm not going down this way. I'm going around the other way. I think we're getting close now. It's closing in.
Yes, I can
Oh,
hear it.
here we go. Look at this.
I can hear it over there.
Danger. Now we got a rope.
Seems started.
This is going to be great. Look at this. Here, I'm going to put the other camera on. I got the shoulder camera going. But that one doesn't have good video or audio compared to this one. She's getting her on my ass. On my ass. What? Very pretty. It's very pretty. So is she.
What?
Nothing. I like this. Enjoy this. We're walking down this brook or river, whatever you want to call it, heading for the ocean. We're surrounded by like cliffs and it's really cool.
There's our yellow. Going that way?
Right out of the
Yes. Yep. Jake's up here taking a picture. Oh, look at this. Somebody left the bottle. Let's go back in the bag. Oh, wow. It's pretty awesome. No way I'm flying the drone here though. That's for sure. Here, can you take this?
Yeah.
Tighten the cap, throw it in the cap. And it's over there. You see some ropes. Wow. This is gorgeous. We found a ferry hole. We didn't get to go in it. We took some drone footage of it. But we had a great time just exploring here. We're just about to head back out. So, we'll see you soon. And we're out. Just getting back to the car now. And that'll be it for this weekend. We saw 2 waterfalls. Followed the brook down to the ocean, to what they call a ferry hole. We didn't get to it. Tide was a little too high for that, but I'm pretty sure I got some drone footage of it. You would have seen it. But until next time, please like and subscribe for future videos. Hope you're enjoying my videos. Please tell others about the video. Share it to them. So, oh, look at this. Garbage. Always garbage. Oh, we'll take that home with us. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care.